this happened to you? You go to take off the lug nut only to find it stripped, rusted, or seized on, and it won't come off. Your socket is just spinning over the lug nut with no results. Oh no, what do you do? Hi, I'm Nancy at Kneble's Auto Service Center. Now you can try using a smaller socket, but that may not be available to you. You can try applying penetrating oil to help loosen the nut if it's seized on. Or you can try using a hammer to tap off that rust that possibly is built up that's causing the problem. If none of these remedies your situation, schedule an appointment with your auto technician as he may have to drill through the lug nut to remove it. Now, when this happens, be aware that the wheel stud will need to be replaced since minor damage will be occurring to this wheel stud. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos, such as topics of changing your tire, buying new tires. Finally, check out every Wednesday at 12:30 for a new video. Thank you again.